wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Miranisa with NIM 240123017 from Makassar State Islamic University Tarbiyah and Teacher Training Faculty, English Language Education Department, Class 2002-3. In this video, I will explain phonetic and phonology material, as I made a segment given by Dr. Andi Karudin SIP MHUM as a lecturer in phonetic and phonology course. The material I will explain is about phonetics as a study of speech sounds, the benefits of phonetics as a study of English sounds, the production of English consonant sounds, manner and place of articulation, the production of English consonant sounds, distinctive features, phonetics exercise for articulation English consonant sound. Phonetic as a study of speech sounds. What is phonetic? According dictionary.com defines phonetics as the science of study of speech sounds and their production, transmission and reception, and their analysis, classification, and transcription. Phonetics as a study of speech sounds. Speech sounds is plainly a sound which is uttered within given limits. In other words, sounds that come out of a person's mouth when the one speaks the present his or spoken limits. Phonetics of speech organs. Articulator speech organs are the organs of speech that people use for producing the speech sounds of language. Phonetics as a study of speech production. Speech sounds production refers to the process of using articulators to produce sounds which is started from flowing the air provided by the lung. The air then goes through the glottis in the larynx that then is motivated by the vocal tract, oral cavity, or vocal apparatus, nasal cavity into different qualities of sound that is consonant and vowels. The benefits of phonetics as a study of English sounds. Problem in producing consonant sounds. The problems about producing consonant sound were one problem encountered by the Indonesian learners of English in producing English sounds in the produced sound va, which is phonetically known as a voice labiodental fricative. The problem about producing sound the. For the learners, this sound is difficult to produce because it doesn't exist in Indonesian sound system. The problem about producing sound va. Many learners of English find it difficult to articulate this sound. The problem about producing sound ta. The Indonesian learners of English tend to produce deviation. The problem about producing sound ja. The Indonesian learners of English find it difficult to articulate. Consequently, they frequently make four kinds of deviation in their effort to pronounce this sound, that is, the replacement of sound ja with ga, with ya, with da, with as well as with ta. The problem about producing sound za. A problem for the learners in English pronunciation because it doesn't exist in Indonesian phonetic system, that the learners tend to deviate in their effort to pronounce it. Generally, there are 10 deviations made by learners when articulating these sounds. The problem about producing sound za. A problem to the learners is a sound za. This sound is also known as voiced alveolar fricative. Many learners make deviation when producing these sounds. They tend to replace sound za with sound sa, as in the word result. The problems about producing English vowels. The problem about producing sound la and articulating the sound. They tend to replace sound la with za in the initial position and in the middle position. The problem about sound ya, it is called long vowels because it is pronounced a little bit longer than short vowels. When the learners pronounce the sound, they tend to make the fusion by replacing the sound with sound za and sha. The problem about pronouncing sound va. The problematic of learners tend to make the fusion when producing the sound by replacing it with sound va. For example, when the learners are required to pronounce the word good, they tend to pronounce is a good instead of good. The problem about producing sound a. This error can be found when the learners are required to pronounce the word multiple. In English, this word ought to be pronounced multiple. However, the learners tend to pronounce it as multiple. The problem about producing is silent sound the. When the learners are required to articulate it, many of them deviate the correct articulation by replacing it with sound sa. For example, in articulating the word knowledge, the learner commonly pronounces it as knowledge instead of knowledge. The problem about producing diphthong o. The learner should pronounce this sound as in the word over, which should be pronounced over. They tend to deviate the sound production by replacing sound ong with sound ong, which has made the pronunciation of the word become over. The benefits given by phonetics to cope with the problems. The benefits of phonetics as a study of English sound is initiated by giving information on the problems occurred by the Indonesian learners of English in producing English sound. This information is derived from research results of the context of Indonesian learners. According to udictionary.com, distinctive feature is any of the set of phonetic characteristics that, when freshly grouped together, distinguish one phoneme from another. According to Kampung Inggris ID, consonant letters are consonant in the alphabet. It can be said that all letters except vowel letters, namely A, I, U, E, O, are consonant letters such as B, C, D, F, G, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, and Z. Place of articulation. Place of articulation. This refers to a specific location in the mouth where the speech organs work together to produce a consonant sound. For example, the tongue and teeth come together to form a tooth sound. There are 6 speech organs used to pronounce consonant sounds, namely the lips, teeth, alveolar ridge, hard palate, and soft palate or velum, and 4 parts of the tongue, namely the tip, plate, body, and root of the tongue. Judging from the place of articulation, consonant sounds are classified into 8 sounds, namely bilabial sound, pa, ba, ma. Consonant sounds which are produced by pulling 2 lips together, as in sound pa in the word pie, pa in the word pie, and ma in the word mine. Labiodental sounds, fa and va. Consonant sounds which are produced by contacting the lower lip and upper teeth, as in sound fa in the word five and va in the word villa. Dental sounds va and the. These consonant sounds are made when tongue tip for sound va or tongue blade part just behind the tip for sound the contact upper teeth, sound va Thursday or day, and sound the this. Alveolar sound ta, da, na, la, sa, and za. The consonant sounds are made when the tongue tip contacts the alveolar ridge T comes just behind the teeth as sound ta, ti, ta, tai, na, night, or sound la, lai, sa, sight, za, zay. Palatal sound ja, ta, ya. These sounds are produced when the blade of the tongue, middle of tongue, touches the hard palate. Example sound ja as in the word judge, sound ta as in the word chew, and sound ya as in the word young. Palato-alveolar sound ya, za, ra. These sounds are articulate when the tip, the blade of the tongue approaches or touches the alveolar ridge and the main body of the tongue approaches the hard palate in the mouth. Example, sound ya, sip, za, casual, ra, remember. Filler sounds ka, ga, These consonant sounds are produced when the back of the tongue touches the soft palate, the velum, as sound ka in the word cup, sound ga as in the word gap, and sound as in the word sing. Glottal sound ha. This consonant sound is produced when the flow of air is stopped by the glottis by some glottic closure contraction and then released. Example, the sound ha as in the word how and woo. Labiofiller sound wa. This consonant sound is produced when the back part of tongue contact the soft palate and lips also come close to each other. Example, sound wa as in the word what. Manner of articulation. The way of articulation describes two things, namely first, how the various speech organs interact with each other to produce consonant sound. Second, how airflow is obstructed, affecting the quality of consonant sound production. Thus, the way of articulation is a determining factor that differentiates consonant sound in English because it is possible to make several different consonant sounds at the same place of articulation. English consonant sounds produced through this manner of articulation are pa as in the word pen, as in the word tie, ka as in the word k, and by as in the word by, ta as in the word tie, ka as in the word go. These types of manner of articulation produces consonant sounds by blocking the air stream in the mouth but not making complete closure that the air moves through the mouth and produces audible friction. Example, sa as in the word cycle, za as in the word zoom, fa as in the word fun, fa as in the word fast, za as in the word method, va as in the word sip, za as in the word pleasure, and ha as in the word hot. Affricative. This manner of articulation produces consonant sounds by blocking the air stream briefly with the tongue in the mouth, but in contrast to stop the blocked airstream is suddenly not released, but is slowly released and causes audible friction. Example, sound ta as in the word check and ja as in the word jump. Nasals. This manner of articulation produces consonant sound by blocking the airstream passed through the oral cavity using the velum soft palate and the back of the tongue so that the air can only pass through the nasal cavity. Example, sound ma is in the word man, na is in the word night, and is in the word sing. Laterals liquid. This manner of articulation produces consonant sound by contacting the tip of the tongue onto the alveolar ridge so that the air passes through both sides of the tongue. Example, sound la is in the word lip. Approximates gliders. This type of manner of articulation deals with the way consonant sounds are uttered by making the articulators interact. Example, the tongue and the alveolar ridge without actually touching. In English, there are three approximates. Example, sound ya is in the word you, sound wa is in the word word, and sound ra is in the word rise. The production of English consonant sounds. What is distinctive features and consonant sound? Consonant letters are the written symbols used to represent sound in a language, while consonant sounds are the actual sounds produced when the letters are spoken. For example, the consonant letter C can represent different sounds in different languages, such as the K sound in kite or the sa sound in case. How to identify distinctive features? Look for elements that stand out from the norm, whether in appearance, behavior, or functionality. These features could be unique shapes, colors, patterns, or characteristics that differentiate something from others in each category. The distinctive features of consonant pairs. Distinctive features of consonant pairs refer to unique characteristics that differentiate one pair of consonants from another. Here are some key distinctive features commonly used in phonetics to distinguish consonant pairs. Place of articulation. This refers to where in the vocal tract the airflow is abstracted to produce the consonant sound. For example, the pair pa and ba are both bilabial consonants, meaning the airflow is abstracted by both lips, but pa is voiceless while ba is voiced. Manner of articulation. This describes how the airflow is abstracted to produce the consonant sound. For instance, the pair ta and da are both alveolar consonants, meaning the airflow is abstracted by the tongue against the alveolar ridge. But ta is voiceless and produced with a complete closure of the vocal tract, while da is voiced and produced with vibration of the vocal cords. Consonant letters and their consonant sound. Consonant letters represent consonant sound in written language. Here's detailed explanation along with examples. Bilabial consonant examples include pa as in pot, ba as in pot, ma as in mat. Labiodental consonants examples include fa as in fan, fa as in van. Dental consonants examples include va as in thing, za as in this. Alveolar consonant example include ta as in top, da as in dog, sa as in sun. Palatal consonant example include sha as in sheep, za as in treasure, cha as in church, ja as in judge, and ya as in yes. Filler consonant example include ka as in cat, ga as in go, ang as in sing. Glottal consonant example include ha as in hat. Phonetic exercise for articulating English consonant sound. Why students need phonetics exercise? Phonetic exercise helps students improve their pronunciation, speech clarity, and overall communication skills. They train the mouth, tongue, and vocal cords to produce sounds accurately, which is essential for language learning and effective communication in various contexts. What instruction the students need to do when doing phonetics exercise? When doing phonetics exercise, students should focus on proper articulation and pronunciation of sounds. They can benefit from instructions like: Number 1. Listen carefully to their target sound. Number 2. Pay attention to mouth and tongue positions. And 3. Practice repeating the sound slowly and they gradually increase speed. Number 4. Compare their pronunciation to a model or native speakers. Number 5. Record themselves to identify areas for improvement. Number 6. Practice regularly to build muscle memory for correct pronunciation. The exercise of producing all English consonant sounds. Voiceless bilabial stop sound pa, pil, pis, peer, pick, pin, pen, pair, pack, palm, part. Voiced bilabial stop sound pa, p, pit, peer, pick, beat, pass, pat, per, pat, pack. Voiceless alveolar stop sound ta, team, tip, tell, tan, task, tar, tall, tor, talk, top. Voice velar stop sound ga, give, gift, cat, cause, cast, cap, court, church, chon, cause. Voice dental fricative sound za, this, then, them, there, that, then, they. Voiceless alveolar fricative sound sa, sim, sin, sin, simple, city, sen, center, set, sec, saw. Voiced alveolar fricative sound za, zebra, zero, zip, zigzag, zest, zap, zoo, zoom, zone, music. Voiceless glottal fricative sound ha, he, had, here, him, history, help, hair, hand, have, half. Voiceless palatal fricative sound cha, cheese, chip, cheer, chip, chin, check, cheese, chair, change, chapter. Voiced palatal alveolar approximant sound ra, read, rip, reel, rear, risk, wrist, red, rest, rare, run. Voiced labiovelar approximant sound wa, we, weak, will, wine, will, wet, west, when, where, wax. Voiced palatal approximant sound ya, year, yield, yes, yesterday, yellow, yet, yard, young, your, yet. Conclusion is phonetic is the study of speech sounds, including their production, transmission, reception, analysis, classification, and transcription. Indonesian learners of English often face challenge in producing certain English consonant and vowel sounds due to difference in the phonetic systems of their native language. Consonant sounds in English are represented by consonant letters, each with its own distinctive sound. For example, the letter pa represents the voiceless bilabial stop sound pa, while pa represents the voiced bilabial stop sound pa. Similarly, ma represents the voiced bilabial nasal sound ma. Phonetics exercise play a crucial role in helping students improve their pronunciation and speech clarity. This exercise involves practicing the articulation of various consonant sounds. Recommendation for teachers of English: incorporate phonetics exercise into your curriculum to help students improve their pronunciation and articulation. Provide ample practice opportunities for students to work on challenging consonant and vowel sounds, focusing on mouth and tongue position. So, to my friends who have participated and supported me in completing this video segment, thank you for your help and support. I hope we can work together and support each other in the days to come. Once again, thank you very much to my friends. So guys, that was the explanation about phonetic and phonology material. I hope this explanation is useful and can be understood. And I also apologize if there are a lot of omissions in this video and a lot of spelling errors. Once again, sorry and thank you for watching in this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.